Ethiopia has gone above and beyond what is expected of us internationally in terms of entertaining the concerns and fears of these downstream countries, in terms of making sure that information is available to the two countries and also the international panel of experts, to making sure that all these grievances and all these fears and mistrusts have been dealt with. So we have gone above and beyond. And as far as the law is concerned, we can start the filling phase now without any agreement being in place. There's no law that dictates that Ethiopia should reach an agreement with these two countries or any other country to fill a sovereign dam, a unilaterally done project in its own sovereign territory with its own water. And technically speaking, 4.9 billion cubic meters of water is just 1/10 of the annual flow of the Blue Nile, at least for the first year.
Those accusations are not valid, but we've gone far to refresh and to renew the old-time, outdated colonial era mentality that have failed the basin, and then replace it with more cooperative framework, which Egypt was not a party to, and Sudan was not a party to.
So potentially speaking, theoretically speaking, Ethiopia can fill the dam in 3 years. So the whole discussion about filling it in 4 to 7 years is all to minimize the damage that would come to downstream countries. So this is already a step that Ethiopia is taking in terms of taking in the concerns of downstream countries, but it has to be reciprocated from the other side as well. Without this foundation of equitable and reasonable use in the basin, we can't even start to talk about significant harm, because significant harm is only applicable as long as we have this fair and equitable share in the basin, which we don't have. So all these negotiations and discussions on the dam filling and the dam operation, they are not happening out of responsibility of Ethiopia to engage these countries, but out of goodwill and cooperation, because there's no legal framework that binds Ethiopia to be a part of these discussions.